So out here in the shop, I've got my Fume Fume Extractor. It's got the optional longer arm so I can reach grinding area over here. And did a video when I originally installed this a couple years ago, and they sent me a free filter after a year, which was awesome. But the filters direct from them are a little on the pricey side, and they don't offer free shipping no matter how many you're ordering. So neighboring shop to me has the same Fume Dog, use the same filters. I ordered 3 from one of the reps directly from Donaldson. Now these are a little bit different. They have metal end cap, but by design this doesn't flow all the way through. They've just got a rubber seal on the end that mates the plate. So I've got some weather stripping, or you can stick basically anything in there to keep it from vibrating against the metal plate. I'm gonna slap that together. I just wanted to show this filter before I put it on because I don't plan to open the other one. I'll leave it in the original packaging. So there's the part number that I'm using. If this is something you might be interested in, slap it on there and see how it works. So there's the old dirty filter. Got the new one mounted up. No need for anything on the end. Seals up just fine. Doesn't rattle. So yeah, if you're like me and you hate paying shipping and want to have different options for filters, the DBA 7039 will work for you. There's a cheaper version too, but this is the high dust model. That's why it's blue. I don't know, some kind of coating on there. But yeah, thanks for watching.